Welcome. The mouse is a very important thing to play a computer or a laptop. If the mouse is good quality, then it is possible to do all the work, and if the mouse is not good, then all activities are interrupted. So today I've brought you 5 top-level mouse, which are cost-effective and goods and high quality. You can safely choose one from it and buy and use it. So keep watching the video and choose your favorite mouse. Let's go. Number 1. Lensnder Wireless Mouse 2.4G Computer Mouse Foldable Travel Notebook Mute Mouse Mini Mice USB Nano Receiver for Laptop PC Desktop. Number 2. Professional Wired Gaming Mouse 7-button 5500 dpi LED Optical USB Computer Mouse Gamer Mice X7. Number 3. Wireless Mouse Rechargeable Slant Buttons Computer Mouse 2400p Gaming Mice Built-in Lithium Battery 2.4G Optical Engine Mouse. Number 4. Hot Mini 2.4 GHz Wireless Optical Mouse Gamer for PC Gaming Laptops New Game Wireless Mice with USB Receiver Drop Shipping Mouse. Number 5. Lensnder 2.4G Wireless Mouse USB Receiver Ultra Thin Slim Mini Wireless Optical Mouse Mice for Laptop PC Optical Gaming Mouse. So no longer late, click the link given in the description box now. Click the link here in description. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.